Hey gang, Poppy here. This is my advice to new posters on YouTube. 10. Let's talk about security. Tiny little bit. It's not too good to give the details of whatever security you put on your computer and you post to YouTube. You don't want to talk about that too much. I mean, the Queen of England doesn't say, oh, here's the back door to the treasure room. You come on in. Right? Well, you talk too much about your security. I use this, and I do that, and I make sure and triple encrypt it. I do it. Why don't you just grab a handful of sand and go running downtown looking for someone to help you insert it? It's important, but don't be talking too much about it because that's an opening to get past it. In general, I have a dim view of Norton, and I have a very dim view of McAfee. I've also tried WebRoot. It worked okay. At the moment, I've got something else I'm not going to say. Yeah, following my own rules. I'm not going to tell you. Not going to tell you diddly about my security. I mean, why? Why do you want to know, huh? Tell you what, you give me your IP and your logins. Oh, that's different, huh? Think about it. Good night from California.